Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2016 BMW i3, and I'm going to show you how to be able to get into the trunk or open up your back hatch if the electrics don't work or if your actuator motor in here has worn out. So typically you're supposed to be able to reach up in here and hit this button for your hatch to open, but sometimes either the button wears out or the electronic motor inside there will wear out, or say your 12-volt battery power is not working and you need to be able to get in here if you need to. So we'll go through the cabin of the vehicle and be able to crawl into the back there, and I'll show you how you open that up. All right, so coming through the cabin here into the back, the seats were up. You'll need to fold them down to be able to get back in here. And then you're gonna see right here, there's a little tab right up here for you to push to, as you're looking at it, it would go to the right-hand side, or it would be the left-hand side of the vehicle. So I'm just using a little pry tool in there. And so it's on the bottom part here, just a little tab, and then being able to pull it to the side. So it's on here, and being able to pull that tab to the side with your pick tool, that unlocks the actuator unit, so then you can push it up to open it up. So that's how you would be able to manually access or get your hatch open so that you can use the trunk or be able to fix the actuator unit. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.